Summer is here, my windows are open, the birds are chirping, so I think it's a great time to share with you gals some of my best tips for the summer to keep us plus size women cool and glowing. So first tip, hydrate. I know it sounds redundant, but beautiful skin definitely starts within. Drink as much water as you can throughout the day, and I like to carry around a special type of water bottle that I can also spritz myself with. Second, don't use lotion. I have not used conventional lotion for a while now, and I definitely don't think it'll help you during the summer. At least it's not the best thing. I have two alternatives that once I get out of the shower, I slather it on and it gives me a glow all day, every day. Last but certainly not least, multi-purpose deodorant. Now, deodorant is used for our underarms, but I like to use it everywhere I sweat. I have a deodorant for my underarms, and I have a deodorant for everywhere else. For us plus size ladies, that's a few areas. The chub rub area, especially when we're not wearing Spanx, under our back rows, and definitely underneath the girls. So just take one or two swipes once you are oiled up, and you'll be dry for the rest of the day. So if you would like to know the best deodorants, the best water bottle spritzers, and the best ways to have alternative lotion options, come on and click the link below. Have a great summer, guys.